Hey Sammy fam, today I thought I'd share with you something very simple but very delicious in the hopes that maybe you might make it at home. Now, you can see already it looks pretty simple. These are just rice noodles. These are actually leftover rice noodles. I didn't use all that I had when I was making beef and broccoli the other night. You might have seen my video or Sammy Girl's video of that. If you want to check one out, check out hers. It's better. So I just had these leftover plain rice noodles. What to do? I didn't want to have anything meaty, but I also had some chili oil. So I put some chili oil on these guys, a little bit of soy sauce, and a little bit of garlic, and some sesame oil too. And I just let them soak. And then I just throw them in a pan with this green onion. And here we go. We have this delicious, spicy, delicious garlic chili oil noodles here with some green onion on it. Very simple, very delicious. Something you can make at home, I think, and you would love. I'm about to dig in so special thanks to my awesome Panamanian neighbor who's constantly blasting like gay techno house music. Thanks, dude. You're very considerate. Now this is a simple dish, a simple delight. It's like street food. I love it. Cheap, easy. Spicy. I love the chewiness of the noodle. I love the little bits of onion. Maybe I could have even chopped up some more green onion and put it in here. The hint of garlic, and I just use ground garlic, guys, you know. As I was cooking this in the pan, I added a little bit more garlic, shook it over it, stirred it up. The chili oil's nice and hot. They're slippery and oily. It feels kind of like a dirty, greasy food. Oh, I love it. It's kind of like a Southeast Asian hangover food. If only I had a hangover. Water is good for the soul, and the body, and the mind. I'm making a mess of myself. Honestly, guys, this is so good. It's so simple. Like, I feel like this could be... Excuse me. I feel like this could be like the $2, $3, maybe even $5 if you want to make a lot of money off of it. Like thing that gets ordered at some corner spot. And it's like they're well known for and get famous for just making something so simple so well because it tastes so good. texture of the noodles is so good. Maybe the secret is letting the noodles sit in your fridge for 4 days. It's a little bit slippery for chopsticks, though. Yeah, I'm gonna need to wipe down and maybe take a shower. Oh, wow. I'm a messy boy. But thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and try that yourselves. Real simple. Should take you about 5 minutes to make. If you have the noodles already soaked, you know. So they're not dry. It's gotten down here. Jesus. And again, special thanks to my neighbor for the soundtrack. I'll see you guys on the flippity floppity.